Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shafali and I am back again with another paper discussion video. This paper is of MSc second semester of chemistry, and this is paper 4, spectroscopic techniques of Kumau University. So, if you are a student of Kumau University who's pursuing MSc, from here this video will be really helpful to you because Kumau University अपने पेपर्स के क्वेश्चंस को रिपीटेडली रिपीट करती है ओवर द ईयर्स, ये देखा गया है। तो ज़रूर इस वीडियो को देखिएगा अगर आप एक एमएससी के स्टूडेंट हैं कुमाऊँ यूनिवर्सिटी के। बिल्कुल हेल्पफुल रहेगी आपके लिए ये वीडियो। ओके, तो शुरू करते हैं। टाइम अलॉटेड वॉज ऑफ 3 आवर्स, मैक्सिमम मार्क्स आर 75। 2024 का पेपर है ये, अभी रीसेंट पेपर है ये। A note has been given to you. This question paper consists of two sections, section A and section B. Attempt any 5 questions out of 8 from section A. Each question carries 6 marks. Section B, attempt any 3 questions out of 5. Each question carries 15 marks. So we have section A first. A note has been given to you under this section. Attempt any 5 questions. Each question carries 6 marks. First is write notes on Kramer's degeneracy. B is relaxation and saturation. Second question is the low resolution proton NMR spectrum of the formula C4H8O2 shows two peaks of equal intensity. Assign the structure consistent with this information. Third is write a note on molecular ion peak, base peak, M+1 and M+2 peaks with suitable examples. Fourth, what is coupling constants? Describe the visceral coupling constant and the factors affecting it. Fifth, calculate the 8 CTMS value for all the carbon of 3-methyl pentane. Sixth, how do you explain the M/E94 ion is formed in the mass spectrum of pentothal? 7. Write short notes on A. TMS as a reference in NMR spectrum. B. Fragmentation pattern of alcohols. 8th. Discuss the hyperfine structures in ESR spectrum of methyl radical. Section B now. A note has been given to you again under section B. Attempt all 3 questions. Each question carries 15 marks. Ninth question of this paper and first question of section B is part A of this section is a compound having the molecular formula C10H13Cl gives the following NMR signals. First, 81.57, 64, S. Second, 83.07, 24, S. Third, 87.27, 5H, S. Denote the structure of compound. Next, B part of this question. In the mass spectrum of tolerance, strong peaks are found at M/E 91 and M/E 65. Also, a broad peak appears at 46.4. Justify the origin of these signals. C. Define the nuclear spin and how it is related to NMR. So this was your question number 9. Next is question 10. Write short notes on the following. A. Magnetic anisotropy. B. McLafferty rearrangement. C. Metastable peak. 11th. Part A. Ethyl benzoate shows two characteristic peaks in its mass spectrum due to odd electron ion at M/E 88 and 60 and an abundant peak at M/E 71. Explain the fragmentation. B. An organic compound having molecular formula C90H10O2 gives 3 signals at 8 is equals to 2.1 3H, 5.1 2H and 7.3 5H. Predict the structure of compound. C part is compare the HNMR and 13C NMR. 12th, describe the hyperfine coupling and explain the isotopic and anisotropic Hyperfine coupling constant. B. Which of the following system shows ESR spectra? Explain. First is benzene, second one is cyclopentadienyl system. 13. Calculate the 8C-TMS values for the ring carbon of amexylene and discuss the effect of symmetrical property of molecules on the 8C-TMS value. B. Two isotonic compounds A and B has molecular formula C2H4Cl2. Compound A gives 1 NMR signal and singlet at 83.7, whereas compound B gives 2 signals, a doublet at 82.1 and quarter at 85.8. Assign the structure of compound A and B. Part C and the last part is write a note on spin orbit coupling. I hope marks have been mentioned over here in the corner. So I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, please do consider subscribing my channel and to also share it with your friends and family who are in need of one such video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.